Ghana is about to close down law school and to carry the power of law school, give it to state universities to be able to train lawyers directly without passing through law school. According to a Ghanaian member of parliament, who is also a member of the bar, actually noted that there have been high level of corruption at the level of Ghanaian bar, which is impossible for candidates who are genuinely or who are credible to actually enter the bar and be called to actually go to the law school and graduate and be called to bar. That is very impossible. And so this corruption, to limit this corruption, the powers of this training should not be given to a particular school called law school, but rather state universities should have this power to admit students so that when they graduate directly, they are automatically called to bar. I want you to listen to this Ghanaian member of parliament, president of the bar, what he actually noted. I think this will go a long way to help. This is the same situation that Cameroon does not even have a bar. I mean a law school. Cameroon does not even have a law school. So if you graduate, you have to go through difficult process before you become a lawyer, or you go to a law school either in Ghana, Gambia, and also you go to Rwanda.
With respect to the promise to reset legal education. And that is very, very important. And that promise is that we are going to reform legal education in such a way that access will be expanded. Okay, so that currently we have thousands of LLB holders who cannot get to, to become lawyers because they cannot enter the Ghana School of Law. All right. We want the bill that I have drafted and which is will be submitted to cabinet this month. Next month. Is to the effect that we are going to literally abolish the Ghana School of Law system. All right. Basically, what we are going to do is that you will have 3 years of legal education to obtain your degree. That is the LLB. After obtaining the degree, the LLB degree, you now do what we call either the clinical legal program or the bar practice course in the university where you got your LLB for another academic year. And then you write what we term the National Bar Exam. Okay, so everybody who has the LLB and who has taken the bar practice course in their school, in their university, all right, will be entitled to write the National Bar Exam. So it will be like what the accountants do, all right? Once you qualify to write the examination, the Chartered Institute of Accountants will administer the exam, and everybody can write. And if you pass, you become a chartered accountant. That is what is going to happen in order to expand legal education in the country. So the bill, as I speak, in fact, is interesting that you asked, because I forwarded the final draft to my able deputy, an academic, Justice Remsai, to review and then give me his input before we submit it to cabinet. That was just only yesterday that I sent it to him. Then there is a question of the assigning of the properties. Okay, that was something that the shareholders, kept saying. You see, the whole case centered around this related parties, activities, okay, transactions, okay, where Holder Holdings, Uni Securities,